does your MKS does this. You put the AC on, right? You want to put it forward, but it doesn't do anything. Look at that. So that means the actuator is actually stuck and doesn't want to switch into no position. The first step into this process is to shut off your engine and go into the engine bay and disconnect the negative terminal, because we are going to work in electrical. So after you disconnect the battery, you're going to come to your glove box, open it up. So here you're going to have your little bar thing, and that gives it that little effect here. And the way you take that out is that it has a little clip right there that you just move up and move it aside, and then you have, you take that out, you have no more effect. But then you have like two bump stops right there, one here and one there, and you're gonna feel it up or whatever you want. So 1 and 2. So after you move that, there is a critter right there. So after the glove box is down, you can actually see the actuator right there. So to take it off, you take off the clip, the red clip right there. You press in the black tab and you pull out the connector, and then after that you proceed to take off those two bolts right there. And those bolts right there are size 8. Now the next step is to compare that one, the original one, to this one. This is the one from AutoZone that they supposedly said it was cross-referenced with that part number here. So let's open it up and see if it actually looks the same. Okay, so this is what the new one looks like. This is the old one. Now the old one has a little hump there and the new one does not, but it's different companies, so that might not even matter. So let's turn the original one around. It looks like that. Then let's turn the new one around. It looks like that. It looks very similar. It has the same bolt patterns right here and right there, right there. And the connector's kind of like different here, but that's just the housing of the connector. But the actual pins are the same. It has 3, then missing 1, then 2. Then this one has 3, then missing 1, then 2. So by all means, it is the correct one.